Hello there, my name is Dr. Walter Green, and I'm 72 years old. I've spent over 4 decades as a geriatric nutritionist, caregiver, and wellness educator, dedicating my life to helping seniors live longer, stronger, and sharper. And let me tell you something from experience, it's not the big changes that make the biggest difference. It's the little things you do every day, what you eat, how you move, how you rest, that either keep your body thriving, or slowly wear it down. Now, I want to take you back to a moment that changed my perspective forever. I was 61 when I sat in the hospital room with one of my closest friends, James. He just had a minor stroke. He looked at me with tears in his eyes and said, "Walter, I wish I had listened to you sooner. I thought cooking oil didn't matter. Turns out, it nearly cost me everything." That moment lit a fire in me. So today, I want to share something vital, especially for those of us over 60. The truth about cooking oils. Some of the oils sitting in your kitchen right now could be fueling inflammation, hurting your heart, damaging your brain, and making joint pain worse. But the good news is, there are natural, powerful oils that can do the opposite. The right oils can protect your heart, sharpen your brain, reduce arthritis pain, boost digestion, and even help your body absorb key vitamins like A, D, E, and K more effectively. In this video, I'll walk you through the oils you should toss out today, and the ones that could add years of strength, clarity, and comfort to your life. If you or someone you love is over 60, you won't want to miss this. Let's get started. Now, before we dive into the healthy oils you should be using, I need to issue a serious warning to everyone over 50, because this is where many people unknowingly put their health at risk every single day. You see, most industrial cooking oils, the kind you find in cheap vegetable oils, margarine, and processed foods, are loaded with harmful ingredients like trans fats, excessive omega-6 fatty acids, and chemical additives. These oils are often highly refined and heated to extreme temperatures, stripping away nutrients and creating toxic compounds that your body simply doesn't know how to handle well. For those of us in the golden years, these industrial oils can do real damage. They increase inflammation throughout the body, which worsens arthritis and joint pain. They contribute to clogged arteries, raising the risk of heart attack and stroke. They can impair brain function, accelerating memory loss and cognitive decline. They also interfere with digestion and nutrient absorption, making it harder for your body to get the vitamins it desperately needs. If you're cooking with oils like soybean oil, corn oil, cottonseed oil, or partially hydrogenated oils, it's time to make a change. Your heart, brain, and joints will thank you. Now, let me share the best oils for seniors, those that support your health instead of harming it. Extra virgin olive oil, rich in antioxidants and healthy monounsaturated fats. It protects your heart, reduces inflammation, and helps your brain stay sharp. Avocado oil, packed with vitamin E and good fats. It's great for joint health and improving digestion. Coconut oil offers medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, that support brain energy and metabolism. Flaxseed oil, high in omega-3 fatty acids. It's excellent for reducing inflammation and protecting cardiovascular health. Switching to these oils in your cooking, salad dressings, and even as a supplement can make a noticeable difference in how you feel every day. If you want to keep learning practical tips to live healthier and stronger after 60, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss my weekly updates. I'm Dr. Walter Green, and together, we'll take control of our health, one small change at a time. As we continue, it's crucial to talk about the specific oils that everyone over 50 should avoid at all costs. These oils are commonly found in grocery stores and restaurants. And unfortunately, many people don't realize the damage they can cause over time. First on the list are partially hydrogenated oils. These are the infamous sources of trans fats. Trans fats have been linked to a significant increase in the risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. Even small amounts can raise your LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, and lower HDL, the good cholesterol. You'll often find these oils in margarine, shortening, baked goods, and many processed snack foods. For those of us over 50, whose cardiovascular systems are already more vulnerable, trans fats are especially dangerous. Next, Watch out for vegetable oils that are heavily processed and high in omega-6 fatty acids, such as corn oil, soybean oil, cottonseed oil, and sunflower oil. While omega-6 fats are essential in small amounts, excessive consumption, common in the typical American diet, can lead to chronic inflammation. This persistent inflammation contributes to joint pain, arthritis flare-ups, and even worsens heart and brain health. Another oil to be cautious about is canola oil. Though marketed as a healthy option, much of the canola oil in the market is heavily refined and often genetically modified. The refining process can strip away nutrients and introduce chemical residues, which may harm your body's delicate balance, especially for older adults. Peanut oil and palm oil also deserve caution. Peanut oil, when used repeatedly for deep frying, can develop harmful oxidation products. Palm oil, on the other hand, is high in saturated fats and is often produced through unsustainable farming practices that raise ethical concerns. If you are cooking or eating out, it's important to ask what oils are being used, especially if you are managing conditions like high blood pressure, arthritis, or cognitive decline. Remember, your body after 50 is not the same as it was in your 30s or 40s. The cumulative effects of these harmful oils can accelerate inflammation, damage your heart and blood vessels, and even impair your brain function. By avoiding these dangerous oils, you're giving yourself a much better chance to maintain mobility, mental clarity, and overall vitality as you age. Now that we've uncovered the oils you should avoid, let's shift our focus to the positive side, the cooking oils that are truly beneficial for those of us over 50. These oils don't just nourish your body, they actively support your heart, brain, joints, digestion, and even help your body absorb vital vitamins. One of the absolute best oils I recommend is extra virgin olive oil. This oil is a superstar in the world of heart-healthy fats, packed with powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Extra virgin olive oil helps reduce inflammation in your joints and blood vessels. It's rich in monounsaturated fats, which can lower LDL cholesterol and raise your HDL cholesterol. For those concerned about cognitive health, studies show that olive oil supports brain function and may even reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Use it generously in salad dressings, drizzled over steamed vegetables, or for low to medium heat cooking. Another excellent oil is avocado oil. Like olive oil, it's high in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, making it great for cardiovascular health and reducing joint pain. What sets avocado oil apart is its high smoke point, around 520 degrees Fahrenheit, meaning it's stable for frying and roasting without breaking down and forming harmful compounds. It also contains lutein, which supports eye health, an important consideration as we age. Next up is coconut oil, which sometimes gets a bad rap but actually offers several benefits when used in moderation. It contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, that your body can quickly convert into energy. Coconut oil also has antimicrobial properties that support gut health and digestion. However, because it's high in saturated fat, I recommend using it sparingly and balancing it with other healthy oils. Don't overlook flaxseed oil, a plant-based source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for reducing inflammation and supporting brain health. Flaxseed oil is best used cold, such as in smoothies or salad dressings, because it doesn't tolerate heat well. Finally, walnut oil is a delicious, nutty flavored oil rich in omega-3s and antioxidants. It's fantastic for heart health and helps fight inflammation in your joints. Use it in drizzles or salad dressings to add a nutrient boost. Incorporating these oils into your daily diet can profoundly affect your overall well-being. They support your cardiovascular system by keeping your arteries flexible and clear, reduce painful inflammation in joints, boost brain function for sharper memory, and help your digestive system absorb essential vitamins like A, D, E, and K more efficiently. As someone who has spent decades working with seniors to improve their health naturally, I can confidently say that choosing the right oils is one of the simplest yet most powerful lifestyle changes you can make after 50. Small swaps in your kitchen can lead to big improvements in your quality of life. While we've explored the wonderful benefits of healthy oils, it's equally important to understand the dangers lurking in many of the oils commonly found in grocery stores, especially for those of us over 50. As someone who has dedicated years to helping seniors achieve better health naturally, I can't stress enough how crucial it is to avoid these industrial cooking oils that do more harm than good. Many commercial oils, often labeled as vegetable oils or canola oil, are highly processed and refined. These oils undergo chemical extraction, bleaching, and deodorizing, which strip them of natural nutrients and introduce unhealthy trans fats. Trans fats are notorious for raising bad LDL cholesterol and lowering good HDL cholesterol, which significantly increases the risk of heart disease, a major concern for older adults. What's worse, these processed oils are rich in omega-6 fatty acids but lack a proper balance with omega-3s. Excessive omega-6 intake promotes chronic inflammation in the body, which can worsen joint pain, increase arthritis symptoms, and accelerate aging. Chronic inflammation is also linked to cognitive decline, putting seniors at higher risk for memory loss and diseases like Alzheimer's. Many people don't realize that these oils become even more toxic when heated. Industrial oils are often used for deep frying or in processed foods because they are cheap and have a long shelf life. But when heated to high temperatures, they produce harmful compounds such as aldehydes, which have been linked to increased inflammation, oxidative stress, and even certain cancers. For those over 50, whose bodies are already more vulnerable due to natural aging processes, regularly consuming these harmful oils can accelerate the decline of heart, brain, and joint health. It's a hidden threat in many restaurant meals, packaged snacks, and fast foods, making it vital to read labels carefully and choose wisely. In my years of experience, I've seen countless cases where simply eliminating these toxic oils and switching to healthier alternatives like extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil has led to significant improvements in energy, joint comfort, and cognitive clarity. Remember, your kitchen is your first line of defense. By avoiding industrial oils, you're protecting your heart, your brain, and your overall vitality. It's a simple change that can make a lifetime of difference. After understanding the dangers of industrial cooking oils, many wonder, what real difference can switching to healthier oils make? As Dr. Walter Green, with decades of experience working closely with seniors, I can tell you that this simple change can profoundly impact your health and quality of life. When you replace harmful, processed oils with natural, nutrient-rich oils like extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, or flaxseed oil, your body begins to heal in ways you might not expect. First and foremost, your heart benefits enormously. Healthy oils contain monounsaturated and omega-3 fatty acids, which help lower bad LDL cholesterol and increase good HDL cholesterol. This improved cholesterol balance supports better blood flow and reduces the risk of heart attacks and strokes, conditions that disproportionately affect those over 50. Moreover, these oils have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a silent enemy, contributing to joint pain, arthritis flare-ups, and even cognitive decline. By incorporating the right oils into your diet, you help calm this inflammation, easing joint stiffness and pain, and promoting better brain function, including memory and focus. Another surprising benefit is better digestion. Healthy oils stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and bile, improving nutrient absorption, especially important for older adults who often face challenges with digestion. This means your body can better absorb vital vitamins like A, D, E, and K, which are fat-soluble and require good fats for absorption. These vitamins play key roles in bone health, immune function, and skin vitality. Switching oils can also support weight management. Healthy fats increase feelings of fullness and regulate blood sugar, helping to prevent spikes and crashes that can lead to overeating and fatigue. This is essential for maintaining a healthy weight and energy levels after 50. Finally, cooking with high-quality oils boosts your overall energy and vitality. Many seniors report feeling more vibrant and mentally sharp after making this dietary shift. The benefits compound over time, contributing to a longer, healthier life. In my practice, I always encourage my patients and community members to start small but commit to making the switch. Your heart, joints, brain, and digestive system will thank you. Now that we've explored the many benefits of using the right oils, it's time to take a practical step forward. As someone who has worked closely with seniors for years, I, Dr. Walter Green, urge you to pause and take a careful look at the oils you currently have in your kitchen. This small but crucial action can be a game changer for your health. First, go through your pantry and check every bottle of cooking oil you use regularly. If you find any highly processed, industrial oils, like vegetable oil, corn oil, soybean oil, canola oil, or those labeled as partially hydrogenated, it's time to throw them out. These oils are often loaded with unhealthy trans fats and omega-6 fatty acids, which can increase inflammation and harm your heart and joints. Instead, I recommend making the switch to natural, nutrient-dense oils that support your health after 50. Extra virgin olive oil is a superstar here. Packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, it's perfect for salad dressings, light sautéing, and finishing dishes. For cooking at higher temperatures, consider using coconut oil or clarified butter, also known as ghee, which are more stable and less likely to oxidize when heated. Butter and ghee also provide beneficial fats that support brain function and reduce inflammation. Avocado oil is another excellent choice, offering a high smoke point and rich nutrient profile. It's great for frying or roasting vegetables without breaking down into harmful compounds. Once you've selected your healthier oils, use them wisely. Avoid overheating them beyond their smoke point, which can damage the beneficial fats and create harmful free radicals. Store your oils in dark, cool places, away from heat and sunlight, to preserve their freshness and nutritional value. Taking these steps may seem simple, but it's a powerful way to protect your heart, joints, and overall vitality. Remember, at any age, especially after 50, what you put on your plate can either fuel your health or harm it. Make the choice today to fuel your body with the best oils nature offers. I'm Dr. Walter Green, reminding you that small changes lead to big health improvements. Your journey to better health starts now, with the oils in your kitchen. As we've seen today, the oils we choose every day are more than just ingredients. They are powerful allies or hidden foes in our journey to healthy aging. The key lesson is clear. By making mindful choices, such as replacing harmful industrial oils with natural, nutrient-rich options like olive oil, coconut oil, or ghee, we can protect our hearts, reduce inflammation, support brain health, and improve digestion. These simple changes can profoundly impact your quality of life after 50, helping you feel more energetic, vibrant, and resilient. Remember, health is built from small, consistent actions. Start by checking your kitchen today, and take control of your well-being one step at a time. Your body will thank you for it in the years to come. I'm Dr. Walter Green, and I encourage you to join this community dedicated to thriving in every season of life. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe to Senior Moments Matt for more insights tailored just for you. Share your thoughts or personal experiences in the comments below. Your story could inspire someone else on their health journey. Also, feel free to ask questions. I'm here to help. Together, let's make healthy aging a reality. See you in the next video.